Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 9 shapes revision. So now we are going to learn in detail that there are lots of shapes that we see all around us. So here we can find so many various types of shapes all around us. So let's see if you know some of them. Okay, now here we can find a circle. Circle. So here we can find a circle shapes in a sun, watch, moon also has a circle, coins. So there are many types of shapes all around us and circle. So hi, I am a circle. I am a round and have no side. You can find me in many things like dishes, clocks, coins, the moon when it is full, and in the sun. I am also the letter O. So circle is like a letter O, and we find that circle have no sides and it's a round and only round, and you find many things in like a dish, clock, coins, moon when it is full, or so many things. We have button, pizza. Who like to eat pizza? Pizza is also round, and then our roti is round. So many things we can find all around us. It's a round. So circle or round is have no side, and you find many places of circle. Now square, SQUARE. So here we can find a photo frame is square. Here we can find tools is square. So, hi, I am a square. I have four sides. Here we can find one, two, three, and four. A square has four sides, and you can find me in a many different things like a side of box, picture frame, piece of tile, and in your grandmother's white. So, square have we find a square many things in all around us, and square has four sides and four sides had a same length. So square has four sides and these all are a same length. So students, in today's lecture we find a circle. So circle has no sides, and then square. So square has four sides, and we find our handkerchief is also square. Many things we can find in our all around it's a square. So box is also square, photo frame is square. So a square has a four side, and four sides is the same size. So students, you all are understand about square. Now we are going to learn a next shapes, and it's a rectangle. So here we can find our door is also in a rectangle. Rectangle. So rectangle is I am a rectangle. I have a four side like a square. But two of my sides are longer and the other two sides are short. So Rectangle have four sides, but two sides is longer and two sides is shorter. So our blackboard is also a rectangle shape. You can find me many places like a door, area of ladders, fancies, flag, and envelope. So our benches is also a rectangle shape. Our table and our door, blackboard, our cupboard is also rectangle shape. So we find so many things all around is a rectangle shape. So rectangle have a four side, two sides is long and two sides is short. So students, you all are understand about a rectangle. Very good. So now we are going to learn a next shapes, and it's a star. So here we can find so many stars. So star have 10 sides. How many sides star have? So star have 10 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So star have 10 sides. Here we can find so many stars. So star we can find in night, in the sky we can find a star, and also we find in a flag in star. So star you can find me many places. There are 50 of me of an American flag, billions of me and night sky, and I am Patrick on SpongeBob Square parts. And the star we can find so many places, and you all know about star. And in night we find in the sky in a star. So students, you also learn about star. So now we are going to learn a triangle. So here we can find a triangle shape. So pizza cut is also in a triangle shape. So triangle, triangle. So hi, I am a triangle. I have a three side triangle, have a three side, 1, 2, and 3. So you can find me in a many things like a slice of a pizza. You can find a slice of a pizza in a triangle. Roof of house. So roof of house is also a triangle, and protector is also a triangle shape. So try we find a triangle in many shapes. So also a Christmas tree is like a triangle, and we find many things around us is a triangle shape. So students, you all are learn about triangle shapes. Very good. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and next shape. It's a oval. So here we can find a oval shape. So you all are learn and understand about oval, because oval is all around us. So hi, I am oval. I have no sides. Oval has no sides and no ends. So oval has no sides and no ends. I am a long circle. Oval is a long circle. You can find me in many places, like I am a shape of jelly beans and eggs. So eggs is like a oval, and jelly beans is like a oval. So oval has no end, and oval has a long oval is a long circle. So you find oval in around us. So many types of oval circle is around us. So students, you all are learn about oval shapes. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it is a crescent. So here we can find I am a crescent. 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 I am mostly seen as a part of a moon's phases. So sometimes moons is like a crescent. You can also find me in arches of windows and doors. So here we can find windows and doors arches is also a crescent circle, and you can find me in a bakery as a crescent roll. So here we can find a bakery roll is a crescent in a crescent shape. So crescent shapes we can find many things in all around us. So students, you all are understand about crescent shapes. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and next shapes it's a heart. So hearts is you all familiar with heart shapes. So hi, I am a heart. I am a sign of a love and also live inside your body, our body inside heart, and you usually can see my around Valentine's Day. So heart shapes is we can find about a sign of love, and we find that some balloons are also in heart shapes. So students, you all know about heart shapes. Very good. So now we are going to learn a next shapes, and it's a hexagon. So here we can find that a signal board is also in a hexagon shape. Hexagon. So hexagon has a six slide. Hello, I am hexagon. I have a six sides. I can be found in a very important sign called a signal. So stop signal in we can find a hexagon shape. So hexagon have a six sides, and we find in a signal stop board is inner sign of hexagon. So students, you all are understand about hexagon. Very good. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's the 3D shapes. So it's we learn about shapes, and now we are going to learn about 3D shapes. So we will now learn about shapes that are three dimension. These shapes have a length, width and height. So now we are going to learn in detail that what is 3D shapes. First, cube. So here we can find a cube, cube. So eyes is also cube. Here we can find a cube. Box is also in a cube shape. So I am a cube. I have a six sides: top, bottom, left, right, front, and back. So it's a cube, and cube have six sides: top, bottom, left, right, front, and back. So you can find me in a things like a dices. So dices have a cube shape. Blocks have a cube shape. Ice cubes, and then we can find boxes is also in a cube shape. So cube shape have a six sides, and we find around us a cube shape. So students, you all are understand about a cube shapes. So now we are going to learn the next slide and next shape. It's a pyramid. So here we can find a pyramid shape. Also here we can find a pyramid shape. So I am pyramid. I am a front of a triangle and I have a shape with a square based bottom and four triangle shaped sides. I have a five faces. You can find me in a many things like an dollar bills and the history lessons in Egypt. So we find that a pyramid shape in many various things all around us, and pyramid has a five faces, bottom, square base, bottom, triangle shaped sides. So pyramid is a 3D shape of triangle, and triangle is a form of a shape with a square base. So students, you all are understand about the pyramid shape. Very good. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and next is a cylinder. Cylinder. So here we can find so many cylinder shapes. So hello, I am a cylinder. I have a circle on my top. So cylinder have a circle on top and bottom also. So cylinder shape have a circle on top and bottom. And you can find my shapes in many things like a pencil, can also we can see food roll or coins, mother's arts, ornamental, and uh, container in a trash can. So here we can see also dustbin have a cylinder shapes, and we can find in a food also we can find a can. So many things we can find around us in a cylinder shape. Our bottle is also in a cylinder shape sometimes. So cylinder have a circle on top and bottom. So students, you all are understand about a cylinder shape. So now we are going to learn sphere. So, sphere have also a 3D shape of round. So here we can find a sphere shape. Hi, I am a sphere. I have a no sides. I am a ball. You can find me things like orange that you eat, and solar planets, globe and balls, and that you play with at recess. So sphere is a 3D shape of round. Sphere have no sides and it's a ball. So we find in orange in sphere, also a ball in sphere, and also a globe is here we can find a globe. So globe is also a sphere shape. Planets is also a sphere shape. So students, sphere shapes is the shapes of a round, 3D shapes of round, and they have no sides. So students, you all are understand about the sphere shapes. Very good. So now we are going to learn a next cone. So here we can find that cone shapes. Also here we can find a cone shape. So I have a flat bottom and one curved side. You can find my shapes in object like ice cream cone, party hats, and street cones. So cone have a flat bottom, and we find that ice cream cone is a shape of like a cone. So students, you all are understand about cone shapes. Very good. So now we are going to learn a rectangle prism. So, hi, I am a rectangle prism. I have a six rectangle faces. So here we can find so many rectangle prism. So it's have a six rectangle faces. Example of me include a tissue box, jewelry box, so, uh, circle box, microwave, ovens, and refrigerator. So they all are have a rectangle prism, and we find in our all around. So students, you all are understand about a rectangle prism. So now we are doing some exercise. What shape am I? So, what shape am I? I have a one round side. I have a no corner. I am a same shape as a clock. So, do you know what shape I am? I have no sides and no corner. I have one round. So, do you know what shape I am? If you think I am a circle, so you are correct. So it's a circle. So it's a circle shape. Well done, student. So now we are going to learn next. And next shape. What shape I am? I have a four sides, four corner, but I am not square. Two of my sides are longer and then the other. So, do you know what shape I am? Do you know? Yes, if you think I am a rectangle, so you are correct. So, it's a rectangle shape. Well done, students. Very good. And then next, what shape am I? I have a three sides and three corners. None of my sides are the same length. Do you know what shape I am? Yes, if you think I am a transmedium, you are correct. Well done, student. So it's a trapezium shape. And then next, what shape am I? I have eight sides. I have eight corner. I have eight side and I have eight corner. And all of my sides are straight. So do you know what shape I am? So if you think I am an octagon, so you are correct. Well done. I am a octagon. So octagon have eight side and eight corners, and all of side are straight. So students, you all are understand about octagon. Very good. Now next, what shape am I? I have a three straight side. I have a three corner, and two of my sides are the same length. So do you know what shape I am? I have a three side, straight side, and I have a three corner. So two of my sides are the same length. So do you know what shape I am? Yes, if you think I am an isosceles triangle, so you are correct. Well done. So I am an isosceles triangle. Very good. So now next. Are you ready for the last one? Awesome. So let's try it. And the last. What shape am I? I have a six side. I have a six corner. I have six side and I have a six corner. So all of my sides are straight. I have six side and six corner and all of my sides are straight. So do you know what shape I am? Yes, if you think I am a hexagon, you are Correct. So hexagon have a 6 side and 6 corner. So if you think I am a hexagon, so it's a correct. Well done. So students, well done. And you are enjoying this quiz. Now we are going to learn some exercise, and it's also write with me. You all are write with me. So unit number 9, shapes. Read out the name of these shapes in class. Circle, triangle, cone, diamond, rectangle and square. So these are the shapes. And now we are doing some exercise. Number 1. The shape of the cone's cap like the shape of cone cap is like a cone. Very good students. Okay, now number 2. The shape of a wheel is like a shape of a wheel is like a circle. Very good student. Okay, now number 3. The shape of a mountain is like a shape of mountain is like a triangle. Very good student. So it's a triangle shape. And then number 4. The shape of kite is like the shape of kite is like a which type of shapes in a kite? So it's like a diamond shape. So kites is like a diamond shape. And then number 5, the shape of 100 rupees note is like, so 100 rupees note is like a rectangle. So here is a rectangle. So now again, the shape of cone's cap is like a cone. The shape of wheel is like a circle. And then the shape of mountain is like a triangle. And then shape of kite is like a diamond. And the shape of 100 rupees note is like a rectangle. Okay, very good. Now next. The shape of handkerchief is like a square. Very good. Now number 7. The shape of coin is like a circle. Very good. And then number 8. The shape of blackboard is like a rectangle. Very good students. Now number 9. The shape of the eyeball is like a circle. Very good. Now number 10. The shape of a television. Here we can find a television. So shape of television is like a square. So very good students. The shape of handkerchief is like a square. The shape of coins is like a circle. And the shape of a blackboard is like a rectangle. The shape of eyeball is like a circle. And the shape of the television is like a square. So students, you all enjoy and learn the shapes. Very good. So, hope you all learn and enjoy this lecture. So, students, I will see you next time. And also, students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home, and stay safe. Thank you, students.